scan it and get your pizza.
Free pizza?
I got it. Thank you. Free pizza. University Fest! This is University vibe. लो भाई पिक्चर खिंचा लो टेक योर पिक्चर ओवर हियर एज वेल भाई यूनिवर्सिटी वाइब्स फ्रॉम देयर Hi man, how are you? Alright. What is that?
We're part of the security team from the university.
Okay.
So these are free keyring. It's got our job, police officers.
I've seen it.
Yeah, it's got my details. So if you want paid,
Oh,
these are really good.
I need it.
They're for your credit card.
Yeah.
Rip it blocker.
Oh, that's
So
good.
people can scam you.
Yeah, that's good. Let's keep it. Oh, that's good. Nice to meet you. See you. See you. Hi. What we have over here?
Library IT services, and we've got lots of information offer on where you can find your books, where you can find your small or free spaces like cards.
Okay.
We've also got a free price program. Okay?
Okay.
What I'm going to do is answer one simple question. Which of these services and resources do you think we provide for free?
Oh.
And hopefully we'll get the right answer. And if we go to quite strong, you can win a very fancy drink.
Ah, that's good. That's good.
All you have to do is tick the boxes, put your name and email at the bottom, and pop in the post box, and you'll be entered for the prize draw.
Okay.
We've also got tote bags, marks,
That's good.
Now, so should be getting able to get the runs.
How to get it?
That is as the championship of ISL Championship Wrestling for about an hour from here.
Okay.
The champion